Transformers process every word simultaneously, but they cannot naturally recognize sequence, making identical words appear identical regardless of order. Changing only word order completely changes meaning, proving every transformer must understand each token's exact position inside the sentence. Traditional embeddings capture semantic meaning extremely well, but they never encode whether a word appears first, middle, or last. Transformers solve this challenge by adding positional encoding vectors directly to embeddings before feeding every token into the attention mechanism.
Every token receives a unique positional identity, allowing identical words to represent completely different meanings based solely on their location.
Adding positional information doesn't erase meaning, because transformers learn to separate semantic features, positional patterns inside high-dimensional vector spaces. The original transformer paper generates these positions using sine and cosine waves. Instead of learning separate, fixed position vectors from scratch, think of these frequencies like the hands on a clock. Fast-moving waves track nearby words, while slow-moving waves track overall sentence structure. These continuous wave patterns allow transformers to estimate relative distances efficiently, even across extremely long sequences of text and documents. Only after combining embeddings with positional encoding does the transformer receive complete information about meaning and sequence together. In Python, positional vectors are generated once, added to embeddings, then passed together into the transformer for contextual understanding. Without positional encoding, transformers understand words but ignore sequence. With it, they accurately capture language structure, context, and meaning.